order of the day just came in. It is for muchas gracias. It's $11 going about 7 miles. I am gonna get gas first because I know it's gonna be a bit of a wait, and it's right across the street. Looks like I am getting an additional order, $8, going another 5 miles. Yeah, sure, why not? First drop off was $12.75. Not bad, not bad at all. It looks like the second drop off is a hand to customer, so hopefully they're not upset that DoorDash made me do this one first.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good one. That second drop off was a little sketchy, not gonna lie, but ended up being okay. And the total for that second drop off was like $10, which means those two orders ended up being $22.75. Next order just came in. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 2 miles. Picking up for Allie. You too.
Floor 1.
Next order just came in. This is for Voodoo Donut. $12 going about 6.5 miles.
I'm just hoping that God helps me to stop stressing.
Finish that up.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great.
You as well. Meet at door. I think this is going to a hotel downtown. Can you please give to front desk under my name? Just don't want them left sitting out because someone will steal them. I'm in a meeting, I guess. I was down here earlier for that Starbucks, and there were a few roads that were closed for construction. I really wish I was paying attention to which ones, because this might be a bit of a hassle. What am I gonna do here? Okay, so they were part of the reason why the construction was going on. Now I know. Hello.
Thank you very much.
Next order just came in. This is Black Rock Coffee, $11 going 6 miles. This is going upstairs, isn't it? Of course it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Next order just came in. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $14 going 2 miles, 7 items. Next orders just came in. We've got McDonald's and Mr. Maple Donuts. $13 going 4 miles. It's going to 2 different people. Thank you.
There we go. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel. This is $7.75 going 3 miles.
Yes, that's gonna be the supernova clock.
Bro, take the picture. Holy. Total ended up being $8.25 for that one. Small hidden tip. I will take it. Looks like it's trying to give me 2 more Seize the Bagel orders. $9.50 for 4.5 miles. They had a lot of orders ready at the restaurant, so I feel like these two might be just sitting there waiting for me. Next order came in right away. It is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $11 going 6 miles, only 3 items.
Yeah.
Got my next order lined up right after this. It is a Starbucks, $8 going about 4 miles. Hello. There you are.
Martina? Sorry.
Thank you. Pretty crazy in there, but we got our order. That's all that matters. Next order up, we've got McDonald's and 7-Eleven, $9.75 going 4 miles. It's going to the same person.
All right, here you go, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. It's asking me to get a signature from them when I drop off. There's no alcohol, so this probably means that they have a lot of refunds with DoorDash. How's it going? Good. Scribble on that line for me. Like your nails.
Thank you.
One more time.
Signature never looks the same on those things.
Good enough for me.
Sounds good.
Thank you. All right, and on that note, I think I'm gonna be calling it. Current time is 11:27. Current total is like 135. I totally forgot to finish that outro, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.